In this archival footage that you're about to see, I will be discussing the benefits of low moisture carpet cleaning. You don't have to drag hoses hundreds of feet through a customer's property and into their home. If you take a look at this job right here, we have to cross this little roadway and then about 200 feet into that house. And then when you get into the house, it's probably about another 200 feet until a bedroom. You can see that that's a very good thing about this method is you don't have all that hose to drag through, and it's about to rain too, so you're gonna have to deal with rain and cats and dogs coming out, getting mud all over the place. But this method, we're just gonna bring our equipment and go right in, start cleaning, and then we're gonna leave. That's always good. Easy is good, keeping it simple. Thanks for watching. Take care.